Want broader, stronger shoulders that make your upper body look more powerful? The right exercises can transform your physique by targeting all three deltoid heads while improving strength, posture, and stability. In this video, you'll discover the 5 best shoulder-building exercises that deliver impressive width, balanced muscle growth, and long-term results when performed correctly. Number 1. Overhead Barbell Press. The overhead barbell press is one of the most effective compound exercises for building wider, stronger shoulders. It primarily targets the anterior and lateral deltoids while also engaging the triceps, upper chest, and core muscles. Because this movement requires multiple muscle groups to work together, it develops overall upper body strength and creates the foundation for impressive shoulder size. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width and position it at your upper chest. Tighten your core, keep your chest up, and press the bar straight overhead until your arms are fully extended. Slowly lower the bar back to the starting position while maintaining complete control throughout the movement. Avoid arching your lower back or using excessive momentum to lift the weight. Instead, focus on a controlled motion and proper breathing. Exhale as you press the bar upward and inhale while lowering it. This technique maximizes muscle activation while reducing the risk of injury. For muscle growth, perform 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 repetitions using a challenging but manageable weight. Increase the resistance gradually as your strength improves. Always warm up your shoulders before heavy pressing and maintain proper posture during every repetition. Adding the overhead barbell press to your workout routine consistently will increase shoulder strength, improve athletic performance, and build the solid foundation needed for wider, more defined shoulders. Combined with adequate protein intake, sufficient sleep, and progressive overload, this classic exercise remains one of the best choices for anyone seeking significant shoulder development. Number 2. Dumbbell Lateral Raise. The dumbbell lateral raise is considered one of the best isolation exercises for creating wider shoulders because it directly targets the lateral deltoid, the muscle responsible for shoulder width. If your goal is to achieve the popular V-shaped physique, this movement deserves a permanent place in your training routine. Stand upright with a dumbbell in each hand, allowing your arms to hang naturally by your sides. Keep a slight bend in your elbows and slowly raise both arms outward until they reach shoulder height. Pause briefly at the top while squeezing your shoulder muscles, then lower the weights slowly and under control. Many people make the mistake of swinging their bodies or lifting weights that are too heavy. This shifts the workload away from the shoulders and increases the risk of injury. Instead, choose a moderate weight that allows strict form throughout every repetition. Slow, controlled movements produce far better muscle activation than using momentum. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Focus on feeling the lateral deltoids working rather than simply moving the dumbbells. Keep your shoulders down and avoid shrugging your traps during the exercise. This exercise also improves shoulder symmetry, stability, and muscle definition. Over time, consistent training with lateral raises creates noticeable shoulder width that enhances your entire upper body appearance. Pair it with compound pressing movements for maximum shoulder development. Remember that consistency is more important than lifting heavy. By practicing excellent form, increasing resistance gradually, and allowing proper recovery, dumbbell lateral raises can dramatically improve the size and shape of your shoulders while helping you achieve a broader and more athletic physique. Number 3. Arnold Press. The Arnold Press, made famous by legendary bodybuilder Arnold Schwarzenegger, is one of the most complete shoulder exercises because it works all 3 heads of the deltoid through an extended range of motion. This unique movement combines rotation with pressing, resulting in greater muscle activation than many traditional shoulder exercises. Begin by sitting or standing with a dumbbell in each hand. Hold the dumbbells in front of your shoulders with your palms facing your body. As you press the weights overhead, rotate your wrists until your palms face forward at the top of the movement. Reverse the rotation as you slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. The rotational movement increases time under tension and recruits more shoulder fibers throughout the exercise. It also improves shoulder mobility and coordination while strengthening the muscles responsible for lifting and stabilizing the arms. Maintain a neutral spine and avoid using your legs to generate momentum. Perform each repetition slowly and deliberately, focusing on smooth movement rather than speed. Keep your elbows under control throughout the exercise. Complete 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions using a weight that challenges you without sacrificing proper technique. As your strength increases, gradually increase the resistance while maintaining perfect form. The Arnold press is especially effective for developing balanced shoulder size, improving upper body strength, and creating fuller-looking deltoids from every angle. Combined with lateral raises and overhead presses, it contributes to complete shoulder development and a broader physique. Stay consistent, prioritize recovery, and progressively overload your muscles to maximize long-term growth and achieve stronger, wider shoulders. Number 4. Upright row. The upright row is an excellent exercise for building shoulder width while also strengthening the upper trapezius muscles. When performed correctly, it emphasizes the lateral deltoids and helps create the broad, rounded shoulder appearance that many people want. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart while holding a barbell or easy curl bar using an overhand grip slightly narrower than shoulder width. Keep your chest lifted and pull the bar upward close to your body until your elbows reach approximately shoulder height. Pause briefly before lowering the weight in a slow and controlled manner. The key to performing upright rows safely is avoiding excessive height. Raising the elbows much higher than shoulder level may place unnecessary stress on the shoulder joints. Focus on controlled movement instead of lifting the heaviest possible weight. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions while maintaining excellent posture. Keep your core engaged and avoid leaning backward or swinging the weight. Every repetition should be smooth and controlled. This exercise strengthens the muscles responsible for shoulder stability, improves pulling power, and contributes to better posture during everyday activities. It also complements pressing exercises by targeting muscles that receive less attention in overhead movements. If traditional barbell upright rows cause discomfort, try using dumbbells or an easy curl bar for a more natural wrist position. Listen to your body and adjust your grip if needed. When included in a balanced shoulder workout, upright rows help increase muscle thickness, improve shoulder definition, and create a stronger upper body. Combined with proper nutrition, recovery, and progressive overload, they can significantly enhance shoulder size and overall athletic performance. Number 5. Face pull. The face pull is one of the most valuable shoulder exercises because it strengthens the often neglected rear deltoids, upper back, and rotator cuff muscles. While many people focus only on pressing exercises, balanced shoulder development requires equal attention to the muscles behind the shoulders. Attach a rope handle to a cable machine at upper chest or face height. Grab each end of the rope using a neutral grip and step backward until the cable is under tension. Pull the rope toward your face while spreading your hands apart and driving your elbows backward. Squeeze your shoulder blades together before slowly returning to the starting position. Avoid using excessive weight that forces you to lean backward. Instead, prioritize perfect technique and controlled movement. The goal is to feel the rear shoulders and upper back working throughout every repetition. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. This higher repetition range improves muscle endurance, shoulder stability, and joint health while encouraging balanced muscle growth. Face pulls help correct rounded shoulders caused by prolonged sitting and excessive chest training. They improve posture, reduce muscular imbalances, and support healthier shoulder joints during heavy pressing exercises. Athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts alike benefit from including face pulls in every upper body workout. Strong rear deltoids not only enhance shoulder width from the side and back, but also improve overall shoulder function and reduce injury risk. For long-term success, combine face pulls with compound presses, lateral raises, proper nutrition, and adequate recovery. This balanced approach builds stronger, healthier, and noticeably wider shoulders while improving posture, stability, and overall upper body performance.